Meaning of human being.
Human being.
Human being.
Human being.
Human being. The term human being refers to a member of the species Homo sapiens, characterized by their complex cognitive abilities, advanced communication skills, and capacity for self-awareness. Human beings are often considered unique in their ability to create and use complex tools, develop sophisticated cultures and societies, and engage in abstract thinking and artistic expression. While there is no single definition of what it means to be human, these qualities are generally recognized as fundamental to our understanding of the species. Overall, the concept of human being reflects both our biological and social nature and our ongoing quest to understand ourselves and our place in the world.